next question is from one of our most esteemed participants from Moscow, that what is the best way of doing meditation? Now, the best way to meditate depends on your personal preferences and goals. There are some principles and steps that I will share with you today which can guide you in it. The very first is to create a comfortable environment. Choose a quiet space for yourself, a comfortable place where the distractions are not there or maybe minimum. You won't be disturbed. That kind of a space. It can be a corner of your room, a garden, or any peaceful area. Then, the comfortable posture. We need to sit in a comfortable position. It could be on a chair with our feet flat on the ground or on a cushion with our legs crossed. We have to keep our back straight but relaxed to allow for easy breathing. We need to have a set time frame, and I would say start small. Don't keep a goal of 1 hour of meditation in the beginning. Begin with short sessions, as short as 30 seconds, 60 seconds, it will work. Gradually it will increase on its own. Consistent practice, that is very, very important. We need to aim to meditate on daily basis, preferably at the same time each day, and just in case if it is not possible because of some reasons, but you must practice on daily basis. That's the main thing. Focus on your breath awareness, closing your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to relax. Focus on your breath. Notice the sensations of air entering and leaving your nostrils, or the rise and fall of your chest. Then you will practice mindfulness automatically. You will bring your attention on its own to the present moment, because breathing happens in the present always. And just in case if your mind wanders, we gently bring it back to our breath or the present sensation. And then here we go, the non-judgmental observation. There will be thoughts in our mind. It's made for that. That's okay. We'll observe those thoughts, but we'll not judge them. We'll let them come, we'll let them go without getting attached with the emotions or the feelings of that thought. And then, gradually we get into a sequence or a structure of a meditation. We may repeat some guidelines, some statements in our head related to what we want to focus on, or we may get into a mantra meditation. We can do it silently, we can do it aloud, whatever is comfortable to you. Do that. You can also get into the body scan, where you focus on different parts of your body sequentially, starting from your toes and moving up to your head, and then relaxing them as you progress. You can get into bringing in the compassion for your own self. We generally are very harsh on ourselves. So this can be used an opportunity where you can bring in that compassion for yourself, where you can silently repeat any phrases, maybe I am kind to myself, I am healthy, anything like that. And then we visualize it at the same time, a peaceful place, or imagine achieving our goals. We'll engage our senses to make that visualization vivid. And once all this is done, we close it completely with gratitude. And then we slowly bring our awareness back to our surroundings. Take a few deep breaths again, gently and lovingly open our eyes and getting settled into the moment. Be there in the moment. Let that everything that you have experienced to get absorbed in every cell, every nerve, every neuron of your body. And then you're ready for the entire day. This is how you can utilize your meditation to bring the best effects on you. There are a few additional tips that I would like to share with you, just because I'm mentioning other things, so why not? I must tell you that consistency is important. Make meditation a regular part of your routine. Be patient with the results. It's normal for your mind to wander. Don't judge it. Be patient, gently guide your focus back to whatever you are doing in that meditative technique. Be comfortable with your clothing as well. Be loose, comfortable with your clothing. Use a timer if you want to. Set a timer so you don't have to worry that, is it 5 minutes? Is it 30 minutes? So the timer will tell you, and you can actually dive into that experience. And by following these steps and principles, you can develop a practice that suits your needs, help you achieve a calm, focused, and mindful state. And by closing this entire answer, I would also like to mention that there is no right or wrong way to meditate. But yes, as I mentioned few minutes ago, right now in this video itself, that there are some principles. You can use them in the beginning, and gradually you will find your own best way that works for yourself beautifully. Happy meditating.